Hey guys, what's going on? It's AMAR here from Hilliard Trimline. So today we're reviewing the brand new 2019 Cadillac Xt4 Premium Luxury Edition. So here you have it, guys. I'd like to start the review with the overall bang right in the very front end. Let's talk about the outside. Okay, this got Cadillac written all over it. It's got the very, very sharp defined edges. Now, as you know, every manufacturer, whenever they come out with a new body style, Cadillac, GM, whoever it is, they always make similarities throughout the entire vehicle lineup. So you'll find a lot of similarities in the Cadillac ATS, Cadillac Escalade, Cadillac ATS Coupe, and many more Caddies in this year. So 2019, brand spanking new right off the showroom. So this got an upgraded grille package here. Most Cadillacs come all chrome, most of them come all black, but this got some mirror design which is black and chrome, which is a beautiful added touch as you can see. Got the high intensity discharge lights, aka xenon headlamps, right all the way down here as well, LED strips as well. And that even got some lights that go meet in the bumper. So Cadillac's famous for the really sharp and bright blue lights. Now, let's have an overall look at the vehicle. As you can see, it's a mid-size SUV, but it's a little bit small compared to mid-size, so it'll be kind of like an entry-level compact kind of crossover SUV. Beautiful metallic black paint with gold specks when it's very sunny outside. Aluminum Cadillac emblem shield right there. It's got these nice texturized fender liners or whatever they're called, or wheel well openings, reflector. Okay, so come on over here. Also, as an added touch, it's got LED strips here in the handles. Let's see if we can turn them on by using the key. Well, only doing the one that's dark outside, so it's got that option right here. So, you know, let's get onto the inside. Okay, I'm gonna open the door over here. I'm gonna go inside and check out all the interior features for a second. All right, guys, as you can see, it's got a beautiful interior here. Let's come to the front once. So we've got nice Cadillac interior, as you can see. All right, redesigned dash. Let's put an accessory mode. It's got a home button. It's got built-in navigation. This is an option. So navigation is an option. All right, it's got all your satellite options as well. We'll push the home button. It has apps, climate, OnStar, weather network app, all kinds of good stuff. We're gonna shut this off so the dinging won't drive us crazy. I just started it. Okay. It's got all the heating controls here. Cold, hot. It's got all the temperature gauges, defrosting, and all that good stuff. 4-ways park assist. It's got a very nice shifter. It's a BMW type technology. Push the side button back and forth. Park here. It's got the knob here. This got BMW written all over it for adjusting navigation, going through your menus. Volume controls. It's got start stop, so it's got the engine shut down where the engine sounds like it dies. All right, let's move on to the back seat here. All right, guys, now if you're looking to get a proper 5-passenger SUV, this is going to be a little bit tight. One negative factor, sporty looking, but with looks comes compromising. So it's going to have very low legroom. As you can see, I'm just shy of 6 foot. The front driver is about the same height as me as being 6-foot driver, but his seat is right as comfortable as he can put it to make me comfortable. So no space here, tight. The middle guy, he's not gonna like you very much. There's not gonna be the one negative factor is the room in the back is no good. 2 people, 4 people comfortably if you wanna go to Toronto for an hour or 2. The middle guy is gonna hate you. All right, let's get to the back. Let's have a look here, the cargo. Key fob's got the control here, double tap. Will open up as well. This is the all-wheel drive version. That is an added feature. Upgraded mats. It's got the Cadillac Escalade shield right here. The seats do go down, but I don't know if someone's going to put any type of stuff in here as well because it's a Cadillac and you may want to baby it. But seats do go down. Headrest drop down. Push forward. So you do got decent room. It's got the hooks here to tie stuff down and fasten it with. All right. It's got the white LED interior lights. Also got a power trunk. Now this is the premium package, which means a lot of these bells and whistles are additional. Like I said, all-wheel drive. Navigation, all right, the upgraded grille, and some trim options. So moving on, now we're in the winter months. We've seen the back. Let's have a quick look at the steering wheel once too, you might as well. Standard GM protocol for Cadillacs and GM steering wheel controls, toggle knobs. Like I said, every vehicle in this type of age category, whether it be GM, Chevy, or whatever type of model from GM kind of have the same characteristics of volume controls because they kind of revamp, they do it all. It's got power seats, back and forth tilt, and memory. So it's got two-way memory seating, so for two drivers. Let's move on to the rims and tires here, right? So when we tucked on some rims and tires for this vehicle, there weren't many specs on this, so we had to do it all manually. So we got a 5x120 bolt pattern, we got a positive 35 offset, and we got a 63.4 center bore, judging by the memory. So right off the bat, it came with 20s, so we dropped down to 18s. We got an 18-inch 5x120 wheel here, high offset, 18x8, so 8 inches wide, which is a perfect fit for this one. And the tire size is going to be dropped down to, I believe, 235/60/18, which is the exact drop down listed by factory. So it's going to have that nice narrowness because before they were on 245s, so it'll be more narrow to cut through the snow. So let's look at these tires right here. So we've got the General Ultimax Arctic I2s. Brand new tire by General, directional tread pattern, very, very quiet. We've been driving on these for quite a while, no road noise so far. They hook up really nice, open shoulders, and the best part of all, a package like this for 4 General tires and 4 black rims with no sensors starts at about $1,300. So you can make your beautiful Cadillac look good during the winter without those ugly steel rims. Now my overall wrap up of the Cadillac Xt4, was it a good purchase? Do I hate it? Do I like it? Well, originally we were looking at the Cadillac Xt5, but the Xt5 we had a very low headroom, and performance on the Xt5 was more of a family type SUV. So when we jumped into the Xt4, it drives like a BMW, sporty, lots of pep, hugs the corners, and it looks very, very sharp. But as you all know, whenever you get into a sporty vehicle, whether it be a sports car, sport SUV, or anything that looks good and is sporty, you're going to compromise with the number one thing is room inside. Room is going to be tight. It's going to be lower to the ground, but you're going to have to compromise one or another. If you want a comfortable SUV, go with the Xt5. My only biggest negative factor of the Xt4 is the back seat is very tight. Otherwise, this vehicle has got no other negative points. So this is my basic overall generalization of the 2019 Cadillac Xt4 Premium. All right, so give me a call at 905-528-3500. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter at Hilliard Trimlines, or my personal account at AMAR SIHRA. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.